By the end of this video, you will know the difference on how to pronounce this and this. What are the differences? Do people make these pronunciation mistakes? If it sounds like you, stay tuned, watch all this video, and I'll show you how you can improve your pronunciation. Let's get started. Follow my mouth movement and let's practice this together. A, I, A, I. Now we've looked at the mouth movement, what are the differences? Well, with the A sound, it's exactly the first letter of the alphabet, A. So my jaw, you don't need to raise your eyebrows. A, comes all the way down, A, and then comes back up, and that's when I'm voicing the A sound. I don't go A, it's A, okay, like that. Try that and comment down below, let me know how that works for you. Let's move on now and look at I. Now we know I sound, let's look and analyze how do we make that sound movement. I. So you're voicing as your jaw is going down. So, I. Now that we know that, I'm going to give you some words. And what you can do is copy these down, write them, and then comment and tell me which word is which sound. Is it an A sound or is it an I sound? You tell me in the comments box below. I look forward to hearing your comments as always. Without further ado, let's get started and look at some of these words and how to pronounce them. Is it A or is it I? Pay, rain, nail, fly, cry, train, snail. Press the subscribe button, or you can have a look at my latest video here, or have a look at my playlist here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.